This is Raymond Graham. Some have called him a loser. Some have called him a failure at everything there is known to man. But I call him the magician of belching. And he's about to show everybody with half of a Dr. Pepper, 20 ounces, chugging it and belching as loud as he can in front of everybody in the mall. Raymond, whenever you're ready, my friend. No problem at all for him. Now watch as he makes me laugh.
Oh, no.